having a 4x4. And this is what you do for Sunday afternoon fun. Let me show you. Kiddies, go.
Okay.
Hello.
You have to. This is fun.
It's quite high.
Why did you tell me? Here comes Mommy.
They are wasted. Might end up badly. Oh, mijn één opstek heeft dus uit. Beautiful sunset here at Henties. So Milani is gonna drive today. We are lucky. You can see it, but it's beautiful. Now going to Sarah's hut. And this is what the rest of Sarah's hole looks like. So on the land side there's nothing much, but in the ocean apparently that's where the fish loves to hang out and feast. And that's what Sarah realized. Even though there's nothing on the land, there's a lot going on in the water. So that's what the Henties is all about. It's about fishing. The people that come here come to fish, well, except for us. We come here because we want to. Tap at number 9. Is this Choppie?
Yeah, it's Choppie.
Hello Choppie. And here is Choppie. Hello! Enjoy! So tight! And it's serious stop. Oh, sorry.
I know.
It was me, I'm Ash. Look here, it is very sandy. Come back. You've got gold power. Down below we have chocolate. We have the chocolate, you can see it's kind of nice. I think they call it beam. And on goes the Galjoen. How we found this place in the old days is beyond me, because there's so many roads going all over the place.
Are gonna collect some sticks for the fire at home.
Firewood.
Firewood.
Wow!
11 years!
11 years!
Woo!
And we're still having fun. Even if it's in the middle of the desert, we're still having fun.
And we're homeless and jobless.
We have nothing to make fire. No lighter, no match, nothing. Coming through 1 centimeter. We love it. Cold. And it's cold. There's almost no space for a mouse, but luckily there
It's
is.
a hamster.
There's not even space for a mouse. That's a saying, Kayla. That's a saying.
And we are going out to the restaurant, and I will show you, what do you call it, a tour of the house. If you want to see more, you could just type in Eben Olivier, and then you'll see about Namibia. I think, yeah, it's great videos. It keeps me entertained. And you can also take it as loving wanderlasting. Okay. Bye. Bye. Hope you'll enjoy the video.